President Mnangagwa has left Russia after a highly successful visit that saw him engage in high-level tasks with the Russia's President Putin. Sadamina mashukobla kwa panangwa ine yanongomuzi even though mutungamiri wenyika akakritisizwa zvakasiyana-siyana aiwa vamwe vaiva vachitaura mashoko ari positive but vakawanda vaitaura mashoko ekukriticiza his visit. Panguva ino people vachidhauta vachiti aiwa these guys they've just spent money vachikuenda kunoatenda that event but chaicho value edition yatiri kuona ichiita kunyika hapana ndingosubscribe like vatombebeela kuti ipinda panapa pahendo yehera kuti vamudanyora chiti he was seen at Moscow Vnukovo International Airport by Russia's Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs responsible for Africa and the Middle East, Mikhail Abogudavo. Speaking to journalists just before departure, the president said, Harare and Moscow have excellent and revolutionary relations. I had the opportunity of meeting my dear brother President Putin and we had discussions about our relations and our cooperation. I'm so happy that he gave me the opportunity for us to exchange views about how we can promote and deepen our cooperation. The president revealed that the discussions between the two countries will unearth a development trajectory for both nations. In quotes, I think it has been a very positive and rewarding visit because we're able to discuss about the needs we have as Zimbabweans. We believe that Russia can assist us in our development trajectory as a people. Tomashikanotoka nemutungamiri wenyika aiwa as he was leaving aiwa pa-airport achiuya panapa kunyika iro nyika yeZimbabwe achidzokera kuHarare. Mashikanotoka nemutungamiri wenyika achiita mashiko achiti aiwa his visit yakanga iri successful. Kunyange patinoona kuti even in that successful visit panapa macritics akawanda anokriticize his visit kunyika yeRussia. Tudze mafunguro enyu mutudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinangoma section yedu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.